Hello, today I'm in Audi Q5. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To activate cruise control, pull the lever. Now cruise control is enabled. Accelerate to desired speed and press set button. You can now let acceleration pedal go. To increase the speed, push this lever upwards. To decrease it, push it downwards. To pause cruise control, push this lever forward. To resume, pull it. To turn off, push this lever forward. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.